In this video series, I work through a math problem or problems each video. When solving inequalities for x, we sometimes need to use both addition and multiplication properties for inequalities, much like how we needed to use the addition and multiplication properties to solve for x in equations. Let's take a look at the examples. First, we have 2x plus 8 is greater than or equal to 20. First, let's subtract 8 from both sides of the inequality. Eight minus 8 is 0, and 2x plus 0 is 2x. And 20 minus 8 is 12. Next, let's divide both sides by 2. Two divided by 2 is 1, and 1 times x is x. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. So we found that the inequality x is greater than or equal to 6 is equivalent to the original inequality 2x plus 8 is greater than or equal to 20. Next, we have the inequality 7 minus 3x is less than 1. First, let's subtract 7 from both sides of the inequality. Seven minus 7 is 0, and 0 minus 3x is minus 3x. One minus 7 is minus 6. Next, we want to divide both sides of the inequality by minus 3. But when we do, we need to remember that we have to change the direction of the inequality. Minus 3 divided by minus 3 is 1, and 1 times x is x. Minus 6 divided by minus 3 is 2. So we found that the inequality x is greater than 2 is equivalent to the original inequality 7 minus 3x is less than 1. Finally, we are given the inequality 5 multiplied by the difference x minus 8 is greater than the sum x plus 8. Let's first use the distributive property to multiply out the left-hand side. Five times x is 5x, and 5 times minus 8 is minus 40. We want to get all the terms with x on one side of the inequality, so let's subtract x from both sides. We also want to get all the numbers on the other side of the inequality, so let's add 40 to both sides. 5x minus x is 4x. Minus 40 plus 40 is 0, and 4x plus 0 is just 4x. X minus x is 0, and 8 plus 40 is 48. So we just get 48 on the right hand side. Finally, to solve this for x, we want to divide both sides by 4. Since 4 is a positive number, we keep the same direction for the inequality. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 1 times x is x. 48 divided by 4 is 12. So the inequality x is greater than 12 is equivalent to the original inequality 5 multiplied by the difference x minus 8 is greater than the sum x plus 8.